Hey everyone, friends, Valor here. Today I'll show you how to spawn all types of wolves in Minecraft Bedrock and Java edition. So I'm in Minecraft Java. Here we have this command, right? And here you can spawn different types of wolves, right? You write variant here and then the type. For example, Ashen Wolf. Wait, let me just change it real quick. There. And besides all these, there's also black. Next is chestnut. Next is pale. Then rusty, like a reddish one. There. Next is snowy. Yeah, the white one. There. Next is striped. For some reason, a regular one spawned here, striped. That's how you spell it. And next is spotted. I don't remember if there was one or not. There. And there's also the woods one. So that's how it works. This is Minecraft Java. Now I'll switch to Bedrock and show you how it's done there. Here I am in Minecraft Bedrock. Yeah, you need to enable cheats to be able to use commands. Right? I don't know where that's done, honestly. Maybe I have it turned on. Let's take a look. Yes. So this is what the team looks like, right? And here we just remove the last word and see all the wolves that can be summoned. Here, for example, is Ashen, right? Well, same thing. So we remove the first word. Baby, a little wolf cub. Next, black, the dark one. Next, chestnut, and so on and so forth. Same thing as you can see, pale. Next, rusty. Next, snowy. Next, spotted. Next, striped. And finally, the last one is woods. But all the names were already shown, so if you missed it, you can rewatch. This was valid. Bye everyone.